Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Two army jawans killed, one injured in mine blast in Jammu and Kashmir, Rajouri. An officer and a jawan of India Army who were injured in a mine blast near a forward post along the line of control. In Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir died on Saturday. Another soldier was also injured in the incident. The two army personnel identified as a Lieutenant Rishi Kumar Sepoy Manjit Singh were critically injured in the explosion that took place in Kalal area of Naushera sector. They were immediately taken to a nearby military hospital where they succumbed to their injuries later. The other injured soldiers currently undergoing treatment. According to the news agency PTI, an army column was on patrol duty as part of measures to check filtration of terrorists from across the border when the mine explosion happened. Army officials said that the area where the explosion took place is dotted with landmines planted by the army as part of the counter-infiltration arrangement. Power star Puneet Rajkumars last rites performed with full state honors. Karnataka CM pays tribute. The final rites of Kannada superstar Puneet Rajkumars, fondly called Appu by his fans, were held at Bengaluru's Kantavira Studios with full state honors on Sunday morning. The mortal remains Rajkumar reached the studio at around 5:50 a.m. from the Kantavira Stadium. Karnataka Chief Minister Vasavaraj Bommai and other senior leaders and Kannada actors were seen paying tribute to the power star. Rajkumar was laid to rest near his father and legendary actor Dr. Rajkumar burial place at Sri Kantavira Studios. The last rites of the actor were performed by his family members. People also gathered in large numbers outside the Kantavira studios while the last rites of the Kannada actor were being performed. It was a personal bonding with the entire family and more so with Appu. I had seen him as a boy. We have had a relationship since those days. Therefore, I am giving him a final salute. Certainly, I was emotional, Bombay said while speaking to ANI. On Saturday, Rajkumar's daughter Dhruti had arrived at Kantavira Stadium to attend her father's funeral. She flew in from the US via Delhi to Bengali. Rajkumar suffered a massive heart attack on October 29 and was rushed to Vikram Hospital in Bangalore. He brought to the hospital in a non-responsive state. Despite doctors at the hospital trying their best, Puneet Rajkumar could not be resuscitated. He was declared dead at 2:30 p.m. One Earth, One Health, what PM Narendra Modi said at G20 summit. As the leaders of the world 20 major economies gathered in Italy's Rome on Saturday for the G20 summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted India's fight against COVID-19 pandemic and said that India is preparing to produce more than 5 billion COVID-19 vaccine doses for the world next year. Addressing the session of a two-day summit centered on the issues of climate change, COVID-19 and economic recovery, PM Modi put forward the vision of One Earth, One Health to the world. To deal with any such crisis in the future, this vision can become a huge force in the world, PM Modi said. Talking about how much India played the role in the pharmacy of the world, Prime Minister Narendra Modi pointed out how India has delivered medicine to more than 150 countries. Along with this, we also put our full strength in increasing vaccine research and manufacturing, PM Modi added. Highlights India's fight against COVID-19 pandemic, the Prime Minister referred to India's nationwide vaccination drive that has managed to administer over 1 billion vaccine doses in a short span of time.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.